Hello everyone and welcome back. Right now it's Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday. Friday I'm going to go up to the tent. My dad's going up to the tent on Friday also. Zachary, he's going to come up Saturday morning and we're going to do deer stand weekend. So I'm going to try to get my stands done Friday once I get up there, because I'll leave quite early. I'll get up there probably by 9 or 10 o'clock. And get my stands done and take a look at Sarah's stand and make sure that one's okay. And then Zach will show up and we'll take care of other things. But I was talking to Zachary just last week, and we think we wanted... Melissa's been messaging me here. We want to do a question and answer video at the tent, so I'll have the whole big deer stand weekend video going. But then it gets dark so fast right now. I mean, it's 7:38 right now, 49 degrees, and I mean the days are just short now. So once we're in the tent, there's really nothing to do at night. We're not getting ready for deer hunting or anything. So I thought I'm going to put up this quick video and let everybody ask questions in the comments, and then we can do a separate video when we're up there answering, questions that we want to answer. That's why I like videos versus live stream, because I have the edit function. We'll keep these questions on Joe and Zach's survival or the tent or whatever based. And because I have, this is my work camper that I'm down here for during the week, and next week on October 28th I'm going to pull this out and bring it back up to the farmhouse. And before I do that, I will probably do a questions and answers video here for the Northern Seclusion channel. I mean, because I put up videos and everything has been so busy, I haven't been. Usually I'm really good at keeping up with all of the comments. I try to go through every one. And the last 2 nights I was editing videos, and then I had stuff to do for work and stuff online also, so I haven't got around to them. I'll get through a bunch of them tonight because it's still pretty early. But I think I'm going to do a question and answers here. So we'll just keep these, tent oriented or up north and Joe and Zach survival, whatever. And leave your comments, and we will do a video about that on Saturday night up at the tent. We will be up there this weekend to do deer stands, and then there's one weekend back home, and then that first weekend in November, the following weekend, is deer hunting opener. I'm trying to be able to take that whole entire week off for deer hunting. We'll see what happens with work. And we'll have 3 weekends, so I'm sure I'll get 2 or 3 videos out of that at least. So stay tuned. I will see you guys on the next video up at the tent.